Instagram posts from professional public accounts are now indexed on search engines like Google and Bing. But what does this mean for you, and how can you capitalize on this? Hi, I'm Indy Johnson, Marketing Executive here at the SEO Works. Big industry news broke in July. Your Instagram content posted on or after the 1st of January 2020 is now searchable and discoverable by search engines. It impacts professional public accounts, not personal or private ones, and you can choose to opt out of this if you like. However, that isn't recommended. This update is a great opportunity for you to reach new audiences outside of the Instagram app. And the way you do this? Good SEO. You can optimize everything to your advantage, from your captions, alt text, hashtags, and bios to enhance your profile. Here are 4 things I believe professional accounts should now be trying to increase their chances of being discovered in the SERPs. Number 1, practice good SEO. As mentioned, your whole profile can now be optimized for SEO, but you should not try and game the system. Anything from keyword stuffing, making lots of repetitive accounts, or even trying to get profiles to tag you for authority is bad practice. If the approach wouldn't work on your site, don't try it on your Instagram. Number 2, be cautious about AI. Scarily, I have seen more and more advice around using AI tools to generate your captions. But Google is clever. If it can identify low-quality AI content on your site, it will probably recognize it on your Instagram. So is it worth the risk? You know your product and audience much better than ChatGPT does, for example. So be sure to capitalize on this knowledge and expertise instead. Number 3, EEAT all the way. If you want Google to trust your social content, demonstrate EEAT in all of your captions to highlight why your posts should rank above the rest. Show Google and in turn your target audience that you are the expert in this. You have the experience, your knowledge is trustworthy, and your voice is one of authority in the industry. It might take time, just as building site authority does, but you have to hope that your content is one that will eventually shine through and give prospective clients the insights that they're looking for. Number 4, don't over-focus on Google. At the end of the day, Google is not your customer. If your content loses its edge, individuality, and voice because you're too focused on what makes Google happy, you could find that your in-app performance suffers. Don't annoy your existing followers and engagers by pushing too hard to gain new ones via the search engines. It's all about balance. So there we have it, the facts about this Instagram update and 4 tips of my own to help you try and utilize this to your advantage. If you have any questions, be sure to drop them below.